How to type bold text on Facebook. If you want to type bold text on Facebook, then all you want to do is launch open the Facebook app, or you can open up any web browser and head over to facebook.com. Make sure to log into your account. Now type what's on your mind. Here, go ahead and type in your text. Now, as you can see, there's no option to change this into bold. So what you can do instead is simply tap and hold on that, select it, and then tap on the copy option. After that, open up a new tab. Now you want to search Facebook fonts option. Now, paste the text that you have copied. Scroll down and here you will find the bold text. Select it. Now copy it. Then head back over to Facebook. Now go ahead and paste the text that you have copied. As you can see, the text is now bold. You can change the color if you want. After that, tap on the post option, and in this way you can easily type bold text on Facebook. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.